Hello everybody and welcome to the first episode of Facts with Boom that's not actually in one of my main videos. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today I'm trialling separating the Facts with Boom episodes from my main videos just to see how that does, and today's facts are for Thorpe-Le-Soken. So let's begin. Thorpe-Le-Soken is located on the Sunshine Coastline, a branch of the Great Eastern Main Line. It's 65 miles down the line from London Liverpool Street. The station was used by 0.131 or 131,000 people in 2018/19. When it opened, the station was just called Thorpe. 34 years later, on the 1st of March 1900, the name was changed to Thorpe-Le-Soken, and the station is only served by Greater Anglia. All those facts are from Wikipedia. And now, the Maltings over the road was built between 1874 and 1878 by Robert Free, and that fact was sourced by Historic England, where they spelt Soken as Socken, with a C. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Facts with Boom, and normally I'll have the main video on the Wednesday and then the Facts with Boom on the Saturday. Thank you very much for listening, and remember to stay alert.